Hello everyone. This is Melissa Wanish, founder of Ruby Thursday, here to live code with you this evening. And I'm happy that you're here. So we've been having an adventure upgrading Rails 5, like 0.0, up to 5.2. And that we got officially deployed last week. Thank you so much to everyone for hopping on and help me figure out those secrets and getting that up to date using the newest and greatest. So thank you for that. Today, I am going to go ahead and continue to code on the Ubuntu. It's a squarer screen, so I think it's going to show up better. People have liked it now that I went over to that, just for ease of access to the server, really, because that was all set up and the other Mac was not. So I am still using two screens. So if I'm looking up and out, I will try to look at the camera, but the camera is up here and the working computer is down here. So I'll be looking down a little bit, but let me know if you can see everything okay once I get it up and running. And so I'm going to go ahead and share the other screen. So it's like dueling computers. So just make sure I'm using the right one. And when somebody hops on, I do hope you let me know if you can hear me. So I'm going to try to post a comment. Usually I try to post comments at the end when it's off and it doesn't work. So I'm going to just see if posting a comment puts it up there. Wrong computer. All right, so I'm posting a chat. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, and then and I see myself there. But thank you, Conrad. Hello, thanks for joining in. And as you continue on this adventure here, right? So great. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the coding machine. Ba-doom. And yeah, you'll see that I'm sort of sharing everything right there. And here we are. So I was actually just browsing this right before. I'll get that back up to where we start upgrading. Oh, not from 6 to 1. I want, oh, 2 Rails 6. But there we go. Yes, so Webpacker is on the list. So yes, let's just review a little bit here about what is different between 5.2 and 6. I made that leap in that major release. So probably mainly because of this Webpacker is here to help compile all your assets. And it's the default. And so if you don't have it, put it in. So we're going to play around with that. And then Force SSL. I'm not sure I have that anywhere. Metadata signed. I don't think I need my cookies to be read by older stuff. That's fine. All NPM packages. I don't think I have any. I haven't done a whole lot of fun JavaScript stuff with this site. So I don't think we'll need any of that. Action cable I haven't really dived into. I don't think we'll really need this to be different. This we may, I don't think I'll need auto loading. We'll see. Project structure. Sort camelize. So we'll see. So here we could do a little check. See if it works. And then qualified names in class and module definition. You mostly use constant paths in class and model definitions. Okay, I don't think anything exciting like that going on. I haven't really used concerns. Um, won't be found. Okay, I don't think I have any of that going on. Sorry, any of the autoload constants and explicit namespaces. I don't think I have anything. I think every file has its own class. I don't think I've ever combined anything. Spring reloads application code if something changes. Boot snap should be the latest version. Okay, we'll see if that's probably true. All right, lots of stuff here. Can move. Let's see if we have any auto load paths. We might have some of that. Assignment change. I have not really used active storage yet. It's still on paperclip. We'll have to look at that when eventually I do that migration. There has been some changes because the window is much bigger this week. Okay, well, good. I'm glad you're enjoying this view. And hello, Fig330. Hello to you. All right, just going through. Attached, so nothing there. Okay. I also got a tip. Pam wrote me, thank you, Pam, to maybe play around with this and see what depreciation notices we might get. This is the gem that was mentioned on Ruby Rogues. Next Rails, you can sort of see what needs updating. And then you can put in a depreciation tracker and then run your tests and then go and then look and see if there's any information. So I thought we would go ahead and play with it as well. Probably should have used it earlier on, but hey, what fun would that have been? But so I'm going to start with this. Then we're actually going to run this compatibility thing here and see what comes out. I don't remember. I don't remember if I looked to see if actually, I think Webpacker is not in here at all because this has been upgraded a couple times. No Webpacker. So we'll see what the upgrade or the migration from Sprockets will be. So that should be our I have a feeling that's going to be the hardest part. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in and see what we got. So we're going to install this. Oh, you know what? I'm not on a branch yet. Let's definitely, yes, paperclip is definitely depreciated. It's on the list of to-dos. I actually made it to-dos way back, and I just looked at them, and paperclip was on the list. I'm hoping I can get this series done and then do like a separate thing. Although I had to upgrade secrets last week, so we'll see how that goes. All right, maybe I'll make this a little more. It's a little distracting when it's not the whole thing, I think. Okay. So let's make a branch. I don't have need to add my all the little aliases. But for now, check them out. Me. 2, 6. That's the goal. All right, so let's go ahead to here and we'll put it. Oh, sorry. See, this will be the thing is that the keys are different than the Mac that I've been on all day. All right, here we go. Next Rails, and back to here, and that's bundle. Okay, now let's go back to the documentation. And let's do the bundle report outdated. Wrong one. Other than Rails. This is not outdated. It's just older. Okay. Oh, okay. You know, it is listing all the Rails things. 16. Okay. I guess I had versioned that. Interesting. Yes, I know paperclip, but I'm not even going to upgrade it. We'll just migrate that. Other things may be attached probably. And then, yes, all of the Rails things. SAS Rails. Did I version that or did that get upgraded? Oh, it is around the same thing. Okay. We could upgrade SAS Rails. I don't think that would hurt. Let's try just that one. That might update a couple of things. Anyway, I can sort of like look up and see what's happening. So it did upgrade a couple things anyway. Okay. Thinking real hard right there. Da, da, da. I feel like it's some like hold music. Da, 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 da. I have to say, this is probably not a good sign. Well, I guess I'll do a little plug for the company I'm working for. Stride Consulting is hiring. They're focused on hiring folks in Chicago, Charlotte, and, yeah, I know, elevated music, and New York. But I did happen to wear the shirt today, the little swag. They're gonna get some new swag because this this was like a leftover, so it's a little large on me. But here's the little shirt, yay! So yes, if you're in those locations, Stride nyc.com is the place to go look. All right, I've done that. This is not good. Why is it stuck? Super stuck. I could control out of it. What would be the next thing? I've never really noticed like a super like order to this. Oh, there. No, that's me moving it. What would be after active admin? Does active admin have a requirement for SAS? I don't think so. Conrad shares that he was born and raised in Chicago. He lives on the West Coast now. My dad was raised north of Chicago, so we've definitely been to that area quite a bit. So it's fun. It's a nice town. All right. I think I'm gonna give up. Let's try it again. Just look a regular bundle and see if it like finishes. Okay. All right. So it's not stuck there. It was stuck. If it had been in the same order, I think nothing like super crazy. Okay. That was weird. All right. Let's go ahead and run our spec. I don't know that I ran our spec on this computer. That might actually be something because we installed, that's right. I totally forgot about that. On the other computer, we had to install all the Chrome stuff. And we haven't done that on this computer, which might be a little tricky. Let's see what that might be. At least the unit tests are fine, but we changed SAS Rails, so yeah, okay. You guys remember this? Here we go. Blast from the past. Okay. Now let's do it on Linux. Okay. Oh, control this. Want to take me there? Okay. Oh, blah. I don't remember that part. No, I could switch to the other computer. Back and forth we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Oh yeah, this is Let's go here. Okay, I promise to only spend like 5 minutes on this, and if it doesn't happen, we're just going to go back to the other computer. But keep it as square as possible. Okay. Linux. Here's the expected location of Chrome. Okay, let's do it. Nope. Control copy. I actually installed Chromium on this computer. Hopefully that would still work. I just thought it would try to help. I was having trouble with Hulu. I still can't, like on my Ubuntu for some reason, it's not happy with Hulu. So, is there anything more to do? Might still fail. Okay. 425. No, 425. This the randomly computed that computer is the wrong time. Okay, so 8:55. I should just do the features. Can we control C? Okay. It's still not there. Okay, let's see. And then what? Getting started. Okay, for Linux systems, Chrome driver expects this to be symlink to the actual Chrome live binary. Also see the section on overwriting Chrome binary location. Okay. Did that come back to here? No, it went there. Okay. Quick installation. Okay, 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 wait. So this was the second bit. This we still don't have this. Okay, right. It's not Debian. It's Ubuntu. Okay. Yeah, I'd rather do this. Okay, here we go. Okay. No. Control copy. Mm, okay. Now I can do install Chrome. Mm, start it from there. We should probably go ahead and start Chrome to make sure it actually. Oh, wrong keys. Hopefully, it's putting it in the right place. Is that going to take a while? No. Okay. I mean, it is the most widely used browser out there. So, all right. Can see all my applications here. Woohoo! All right. There's little Eva. There's Google Chrome. Okay, does it open? I'm just making sure it like opens. No, I'm not gonna make it. Okay, fine. There it is. Okay. All right. Let's try again. Um, let's just go with features. And if they start to fail, I'll Control C out of it. I still might have to symlink. Thank you, Conrad, for. Okay. Still not happy. Oh, well, at least it's a different thing. Oh, no. That's I guess a different thing. Okay, so um right. So we have Chrome, but user bin Google Chrome. Chrome driver expects to be a symlink to the actual Chrome binary. See also section of overriding the Chrome binary location. Okay. To other Chrome binary. Mm. Is it not there? Let's just open another tab. Where did I want it? Bin. Wah! Right. Well, I mean, it would be a no. Okay. Oh, CH, Melissa. Silly. Oh, no, I don't see it, right? Um, so it expects, oh, Google. No, that would be way at the top. We'll just make sure. Geo. Google Chrome. There it is. Okay, so that's not the issue, is it? Wait. To be a symlink to the actual Chrome binary. I feel like that is. Is there also, wait, Selenium, 3 separate pieces. Okay. Okay, so I think it's there. Okay, I said I would only do this for a minute. And then not so much. Alrighty. If I switch over. One day I'll figure this out. Okay. So I'm gonna bring this back down here. I'm just gonna pull. Oh, I did some stuff though, didn't I? I will just make a quick little commit. Oh, I can remove that now. Rails. Go ahead and add that too. It's fine. Okay. Oops. All right. Then the other computer. And then branch. Here we are. Before I do the, whole rigmarole. Oh. I bundled. So now adding here. I'm going to run RSpec here. And if it runs, then I'll do the whole switcheroo. Well, it's giving me a different error. Probably probably more to do with potentially that secrets change. Which might be interesting to troubleshoot. Interesting. Okay, I will show you this error. We will just switcheroo. So I'm gonna take this back out. Ba-doo. I'm going to share screen, but I'm going to share the little screen. There we go. I haven't even like cleaned this up at all. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just remove. You don't see my mouse because it's, oh, wait, it's over there. Okay. Then I'm going to remove from, oh, I think if I just remove myself on the other computer. We'll have to look up the other stuff here. Okay. Here we go. And I'm just going to physically move this one out of my way so I can get to the other one. All right. Put it over there because I still might want something off of it. Okay. So let's make this way bigger, huh? All right. Okay. It's just a few authentication spec tests, but I'm just using web drivers. But I'm just using web drivers. Okay. Oh, you've been looking at it so far. Okay, so I have to go back down here. This is going to be fun. All right. I'm going to squeeze it so it all fits over here. I have cannot load database configuration. This was from the upgrade to SaaS. You know what might be interesting? Let's check out master first and run it here. I'm gonna hide that. And see if it's probably the main branch as well, but just in case. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to be sure. All right. Then I think we'll have to, it's gotta be the last thing we did. ERB 27. it's not loading any of the files here. Caused by main. Active support dependencies. Just trying to figure out what that means there, main. I might need to run, it was when we set up the, gosh, it was only a week ago. It was the new way of doing secrets, right? It was the, I can't remember. We ran a command to set up that master key, right? And that was secret key base. Credentials. Ah, yes, credentials. Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Uh, Okay, so I think if I run this, we'll just do it in Vim. See if I remember keystrokes for Vim. All right, so right. And then it'll create that master one. So because I think that's, oh. Is there not Vim here? This is adding it. Okay, but why is it giving me an error? What's the error? Invalid message. Oh, I have to copy it. Just copy the master key from the other machine. Copy the master key to the Mac. You need to copy it from Ubuntu. And send it like Dropbox? Like, isn't this the thing I have to like, okay, sorry, I should share their messages. So yeah, can we not just copy it? Yeah, we need to have the, okay. Is this a thing that would stay the same on Docker? Have you guys Dockerized this, I guess? Probably treat secrets differently. All right. Flash drive. I don't have one around. No, I have not unpacked the office from moving. I can put it on Dropbox. I think it's probably the fastest way to like transfer it safely. Except I'm not signed in. I have to sign in. Is it? You know, we transfer also. If anybody's used we transfer, um, that okay. I'm gonna email it to myself. Um, okay. All right, I gotta find that master. So it's in. Let's find it. It is in config, right? And then it's the master key, right? Oh, it won't let me. What do you mean? Oh, okay. I guess we transfer won't let you do. It has like certain ones it would do. Okay, well, I will have to log into Dropbox. Oh, does it remember me? That'd be great. Okay. Upload. um, oh, Conrad uses Transmit app, Dropbox or Bluetooth. Just email it. Ah, just just email it. I just email it to myself. It feels wrong. It's needed to decrypt the credentials. I guess it wouldn't. I don't know. I'm almost uploading it. All right. If it lets me. Home. Master key. It's probably good to have on Dropbox anyway. You don't want to lose it. All right. And now the other computer. Go down here. I'm definitely not logged into Dropbox down here. I'll open up Safari down here. I will have to look up my password for that. All right. Okay. Sign in. Go to recent. Wait, recent. Master key. Download. I want to allow downloads. Thank you. Okay. So, oh, I've been doing it down here. Haha. Can't be opened right now. The file format. Well, I don't want you to open it. Not Keynote. What did I just do? Okay. I should have downloaded it though. No, Keynote, go away. Okay. Let's copy it from one screen to the other. They're not connected though. I have different computers going on. All right. Let's see. Now I need to move downloads, right? To config. Right? Okay. I've been sharing this one here. Oh wait. Okay. Um, oh, my dock is now showing. Guess it's not covering up too much. Okay. Okay. Let's just bring it up a little bit. There we go. Not quite so. All right. Can I try again now? Look at that. Back in business. How long did that take us? 20 minutes? No, like 30. I think it's raining. Sure, it's some rain. This is good though. I mean, just like spot checking the look of it. Do we see some? We'll definitely check again after the upgrade. Do a spot check. Okay, so we upgraded SAS. That's where we had gotten to SAS Rails. And I'm gonna look up GitHub. So it's next Rails. So I'm gonna just so we did that bundle report. I'm gonna look at the other screen and just copy paste down here. Bundle report outdated. Well, you know what would be interesting now to play with is actually bundle report compatibility. Okay. Um, Rails version, and then we'll do the next Rails version. Right? That would be really fun. Okay, let's try that. So we want to see about 6.0. Let's just go with O. Zero gems, incompatible. Yay! All right, let's do it. Because I only want to be on for another till 10. So let's go ahead and see what happens when we upgrade to 6. Okay, now I don't think I have anything open here. Okay. Jump file. I'm gonna go back. Sorry, I'm not looking at StreamYard here. Okay. Alrighty. And I had over here, I'm just gonna look up the version because oh, did I not have versions of Rails? I'm just gonna look up versions. And we'll go to the last patch, might as well. Which is 6.0.3.7. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's run our spec. probably things I should do first, but 'cause it's the whole Webpacker thing. Unless it just no? Okay. Okay. All right, well, now I'm curious. I'm gonna let's see, get a new here one here, and then so I'm curious about 5 to 6, and then if it talks about Webpacker especially. Oop, not we. Okay, yeah, I mean, I've done some of that. We haven't done Rails update yet, app update. Um, mhm, I did all that stuff. Boop, boop. Okay, and then I always run this. I think it's a good thing to do. We did it last time. It had a whole bunch of stuff. Got a little nutty. Um, let's go ahead and commit this so that I can get out of it if need be. Um, um, okay. All right. Now let's run it. Gonna get a sip of water. No, I don't want to update my apps. They're good. Let's see what the difference is, right? What is the difference? I forget. I forget. If. There we go. Um, these are all commented out. That's okay. These were commented out anyway. So it's really just a note. Like it added this. But I think would be changing that. Let's do that, but okay. Cable, what's the difference here? Okay, I don't have any. I think that's fine. What's the difference here? Looks just like, okay. I added it because it just looked like it was going to take things from some. It was just changing how it decides the max thread counts and all that seems to be, pretty standard, like Rails things there. So, what is the difference here? It uncommented that. Um, right. I'm not ready to do that yet. We should just like note that though. Oh, okay. Active record of verbose query logs true. Sure. Sounds good. Okay. Mm. It may be kind of forcing active storage, huh? Um, oh, it took out these things. I think I'm not going to do. Oh, this still looks good though. Can I split it? Run merge tool. I don't know that I've done that. Please specify merge tool to Thor merge. Ugh. Hmm. Some of it's good and some of it's not. You know what we could do? We could say yes and then look at the difference in visual code and then maybe undo a little bit of it. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll say yes, but I'm going to go back and look at development RB and just put back in like the 3 things that I want to do. So I'm going to say yes, but remember to go back and fix it. What is the difference here? Why are you taking that out? Okay, I'm just not. That's just like some stuff. Um, I'm not going to do that. I think we'll leave production alone. What's the difference here? Hmm. Eh, I want that in. Okay, I think I'm going to say no to that too. Okay. Difference here. Things are commented out. It added node modules. I think this is okay. I mean, some of these things are commented out. Okay. What's that? Looks like just new notes there. Okay, fine. Okay. That looks really similar. Is there something else? No? All right, that's fine. Um, that kind of stuff I definitely put, like, yeah, all this kind of system booting things. Yeah, that you can change that. Whoa, what was it trying to do there? Um, oh, it's running Rails active storage update. The listen gem, add listen gem to the development group of your gem file. Okay. So it didn't finish? Okay. Um, okay. Development. Do I have a development only area? I have a development test. I think that's okay. I'm gonna run it again. I'll have to go through it again. Um, can we generate an empty Rails 6 file and take a look at the gem file? Conrad is asking. Sure. Yeah, app, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Let's see. Sorry. Okay. Um, let's finish this and then yeah. So I've already. It's gonna go through. Is it gonna go from where we stopped? It's probably gonna start over. All right. No, don't change that one. Don't change the production. Don't change the test. And what is this doing? Active storage update. Interesting. Upgrading. After this, check. Okay, well, no, this is just a general one. Copy migration. That's from May. Okay. Add foreign key constraint to active storage attachments for blob. Active storage would be from active storage. Okay. All right. So back to the development RB, and then we can look at the basic stuff because I bet because Webpacker, you can skip this for now. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's go. So Visual Code has a way to like check out what you're gonna put in there and to commit. So we wanted to go to this one. Oh, it's a little hard on the small screen. Okay, let's go. That's all it's gonna go over. Okay, so sorry for this tininess, but this I wanted to undo. Is it this? No. Oh, I can just go to the file. Let's open the file. I'm not going to discard all the changes. Let's go back here. Let's just okay, here, more like this, right? Where it deleted. I wanted to look at this here. Is it not going to do it here? Okay. I wanted to take this back in. I think that was all I really cared about. Um, config storage YAML for options. Um, okay. You know what? I think I can leave that. I just wanted to put back my letter opener. This I may not need. Application around default URL options host. This I may not need. I'm gonna comment that out for now and see if we need it. Let me just put that there. Okay. Let me just run our spec again. I think the only thing left. Oh, okay. Thanks, Conrad. Sorry. No, no. Ah, yes. So there's a migration. Okay. Okay. We'll just run it in development too. Don't forget. Okay. And then I'll commit this, and then we can. I think the main thing is the Webpack conversion. And that what time is it? I don't know if you've noticed, but by the end of the night, I get like lower and lower in my chair. I've kind of noticed. We'll have to do like a fast cut of like going lower and lower. Do a little blooper reel kind of thing. Okay, everything still goes. Let's go ahead and commit all this stuff. Um, run app update. All right. It's up. Yes. Uh, yeah. If we real quick look, um, uh, was Rails new? I don't remember the new specific version because we just want that one, huh? Rails. So yeah. It's in between. Okay, so Rails. It seems old. Version, new app name. Yes. Okay. So, oh, it is the underscore. Okay. I was looking at the underscore going, really? Underscore? Okay. All right. Let's do you want to do the newest, the 6.1 or the 6.0? Because I was going to go 6.0. Oh, what is it, 3.7? What are we at? We just went up to. Yeah. Oh. Let's see what this. Oh, the newest. You did mean the newest. Well, oh, I didn't like it. Oh, I forgot the underscore at the end. All right, we can do the newest one, I guess. This is the command. I can't copy paste. That's right. I need to complain to StreamYard that I want to copy paste from the comments. I mean, I understand how that gets in the way of like hiding and. Okay. I'll just have to read it. Rails underscore 6.1.3.7. New Rails 6.1. Okay. Do I have to add that gem? That's 2. Oh. I was 6.1. 3.2. I also have it over here. Is that what? I think you might have to install it. Underscore. Yeah. And that was on over here. Gem install Rails -V. Okay. Okay. Didn't really need the documentation. Oh well. Okay, try again. Installing Webpacker. Okay. And it runs Webpacker install. Okay. Interesting. So it's fetching. Yeah, this is very yeah, it definitely reminds me of the JavaScript stuff, right? Right. Okay. Um okay. Welcome. Okay. And so we are. Okay. Ray. Okay. So is this new too that it's such a Ruby version? Because I remember having to do that manually before. So that's cool. All right. SAS is now above or equal to 6. It comes with Webpacker now. So that's the new thing. And I think Boot Snap. This, again, if you want to use pry, I do that. And then the gem listen that I wanted before. And then Spring. Also, I did not have Spring. We talked about this way like a month ago, whether or not to add Spring yet. So maybe that I should just add that to the to-do list. Let's see. And then it has Selenium WebDriver. Add support for captures. Selenium driver. And then the Windows stuff. Okay, so I think, I know it's maybe a little ridiculous to put them next to each other. Yeah, can I put them next to each other? Is that silly? Yeah. So potentially I'm going to be able to get rid of maybe some of the uglifier, right? Because that was compressor for JavaScript. Did it still have turbo links? That went away, right? No, it's still there. And then this is like very much app specific stuff down there. Postgres instead of SQLite 3. Okay. So the main thing is the Webpacker and this JBuilder. Oh, right. All right, because definitely a lot of things are using jQuery Rails. I'm pretty sure there's just a few things. So that would be I think the probably main migration is to move off of the jQuery stuff. I don't think it's a ton. But that would be the thing to like look up and see how that's going to be different. Does 6.1 like make you do Webpacker? I think that it doesn't. I haven't heard that things like make you use it yet, but look at that. So that was to oh yeah, so Conrad is saying uglifier can be removed because they use Webpack in 6.1. It doesn't make you. But that would be an interesting like set of work to do and if folks haven't done it yet, um, and to really convert things over. I don't know how painful it might be or not. I think what I'm gonna do is, I think it would be great to go ahead and maybe leave this series here that we've gotten up to 6. I know we haven't got back to 6.1 yet, but maybe we take a little pause, because at least it's up to 6. I haven't deployed it yet, mind you, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap up for tonight. But so I think I'm going to have Conrad sharing that they actually use the asset pipeline in 6 by default. Okay, cool. And then I think I'm going to send out a little survey about what folks want to see next. Because we could no what? No survey? You hate surveys? Could I could just decide. Docker. Oh, that's how to Dockerize. Okay, I'll leave an option in the survey as well for like suggest your own thing. Um, uh, no Rails 6.2, 6.21, or maybe you meant 6.1. I could finish it up. We could see, maybe that'd be one more thing. I think I'll send it out and see what folks want. Like another vote for the Dockerize this, so we don't have this fun of like going back and forth to different computers as much. Um, yeah, so I'll put together a survey, and maybe even like an ordering kind of thing. Like, what would you want to see first, second, third, that kind of thing. Because I have a couple of ideas. We have a couple of like to dos on this app, but there's also, kind of uh, coming up from, I think it was last session, questions about, sort of diving into stimulus reflex. And because part of my goal, as well, is that, in my day job, I'm focused mostly on Python backend work at the moment, and I don't want to lose touch with anything front end because front end moves very quickly, and so you don't want to be totally out of the loop. And so there's options to sort of maybe look at those things, look at the React stuff, because I know people are interested in that too. So yes, so I think, I'm going to get that together for folks and see like an order and what people want to see. Want to see what happens. So I'm gonna send that out and see what people think. See, there's another React. See, how can you choose? um, I think I'll go ahead and sign off for tonight. You'll probably get that on Monday. I feel like a survey is a Monday thing. I don't know. Work on it over the weekend, send it out on Monday. Um, close it at the end of the you know day, like early Thursday. And come in and see what we're gonna do. Although I may need a little more time to prepare. So, well, maybe I will. Oh my gosh, GraphQL. I have done some of that too. I will have a place for people to add things. All right. Well, I'm gonna close it out for tonight, on this like happy everything's green note. Um, and um, and I will see you all next time. You guys keep voting. All right. So I see a list growing, but I'm definitely gonna have a like other section to fill out. Okay. Have a good night, everyone. Good night.